Hello everyone, today I will show you how to connect Google Maps to car's Bluetooth. And here's how it's done. Pair your phone with your car. Turn on Bluetooth on your phone and car. On your phone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and select your car's name. Tap Pair and make sure your phone is connected for media audio. Set Google Maps to use Bluetooth audio. Open Google Maps on your phone. Tap your profile picture, Settings, Navigation Settings. Under Sound and Voice, enable Play Voice over Bluetooth. Ensures directions play through car speakers. Play as Bluetooth phone call. If audio doesn't work, try this option. Start navigation. Enter your destination in Google Maps and tap Start. Your directions should now play through your car's speakers. And that is everything you need to know about how to connect Google Maps to cars. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.